Welcome back to my Gamemaker tutorial. In the last video of the series, we covered a few things, such as sprites, objects, and rooms. Now, we didn't do very much with objects, so I'm going to teach you a little bit more about them right now, because they are the basic building blocks of any game, and without them, you would not have anything. So, we have our banana and create here, as you can see. Well, collision with banana, sorry. And so, now let's try doing mouse and left button. So what this means is when the left button on your mouse is clicked over on it, then something will happen. So, when you do, say this, here, move, this means, if I'm doing this here, this means when I click on a banana, it'll move in that direction, shown here, at a speed of 1. So now if we go OK, always remember to hit OK, because if you don't, it won't save, and then you'll lose your progress on that so far. So anyways, we have this now. If I click on this here, it will move, as you can see. They're kind of shifting as I click them, and they're moving. You might notice some of them turning around in the middle of the air. That's me. So yeah, that's me clicking them, and that's that basic thing. So yeah, so now because if you're having a normal game, you're not gonna want to have just one sprite, an object, and one boring room. So let's go and add another sprite, and we'll call it strawberry. So now, if you go load sprite, then you might see that there's a strawberry one. Now I made this, so I'm just going to use strawberry instead of strawberry. And so we have strawberry here. And now, if you remember from last time, we clicked that sphere-like object, and let's just name it strawberry to make things easier. And then we'll select a sprite, and let's add the event of when it's created. It will move in, it has a chance to move in any direction, but it moves at a speed of 2, so it'll be going faster than the normal banana. And then let's do collision with banana. I'll teach you a different one. So when it collides with the banana, this thing here, that like kind of recycling bin picture, is the destroy instance, and that means what you have right now, that object will be deleted unless you hit applies to other. That means it'll destroy the other thing. So like if you have self, if the strawberry hits the banana, then the strawberry will get destroyed. If you have other, when they collide, the banana will get destroyed, and object, you can select a different object that'll get destroyed when that happens. So let's do self. So this means when it's created, it'll move faster than a banana, and if it hits a banana, the strawberry will disappear. So now let's go to our room and add the strawberries. Remember to uncheck delete underline, because it's easier. And let's just make those strawberries. Okay, so now we use check, and we'll run the game again. And we will get this. As you can see, every time a strawberry hits the banana, it will get deleted and it will disappear. So, now a little bit of basic things on rooms. So there are also backgrounds, and that's kind of this like scenery picture right there. So we'll just name it wood, and we'll use the wood background, and we will open it, and this is the picture. So this is, it'll be very familiar to you because it's very similar to the sprite in appearance, but if you hit this, it's still under background, not sprites. And so the difference is that instead of applying to an object, it applies to a room. So you have your room here, and then you go to background. Okay, now you see this foreground image, visible in room starts, all that. Underneath foreground image, you'll see something that says no background. If you click that, and then hit wood, it'll go like that. And then if you do that, you'll see that that wood background will be like repeated, and it'll look like that. So now you have a background on your game. Okay, now we could do sounds, but I'm going to save those. Well, no, let's just do those now. So sound is somewhat different, so I'm just gonna call it, sound 1 to make things easier. So load sounds. So I don't believe there's very many sounds in Gamemaker, but I have gotten an extra pack with a few. So let's just do breaking. What the heck? Okay. So we have that, so that's the sound there. So now let's go to strawberry. And with that collision with the banana event, when it destroys the instance, we're also going to do so that it goes right here, sounds, and play sound 1. So now when we do it, it's saying when the strawberry hits the banana, the strawberry will disappear and it'll play that sound. So if we go to this, now you probably won't be able to hear it on mine because, but on yours, holy crap, that was loud. Okay, so you might want to turn your volume down, or at least not be wearing headphones when that happens, because it's really loud. So, wow, that was loud. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for tutorial 2 in the beginners tutorial series, and next video I'll be covering a few more things.